This video we're going to talk about a cardinal sin when it comes to drawing characters in the side view, at least in my opinion, and that is the lollipop head. So what is the lollipop head? Well, if we look at our first example here on the left, the lollipop head is usually when an artist will place the neck directly underneath the head in the side view. And it's just not the way our anatomy is rigged. Even if you're creating something stylized, you still want to make it believable. So how do you fix the lollipop head? Well, the first thing to realize is that the neck actually comes out at an angle from the head. And this is one way that you can fix the lollipop head. Something else that you should also be aware of too, as characters get older and older, the skin that links the chin to the neck starts to lose its elasticity. So we can see that this gives us a little bit more, of that turkey neck that we see when we're drawing very, very old characters. So the lollipop head is something that you want to avoid. Now, in the front view, you will see the head kind of shaped like a lollipop because the head is actually coming directly towards us. And if you're drawing a turnaround or something of that nature, you will see that head. But it's not so obvious here. But on the side view, it is much more obvious. So if you were to draw the head here, again, if this is our side view, draw the neck coming out at an angle. And I would also say too, when you're drawing the neck at an angle, something to keep in mind is the placement of the shoulder. So the bonus tip here is, instead of drawing a character where you have the lollipop head where the arm is directly in the middle, you want to avoid that by putting the shoulder blades more towards the back of the torso. So I hope you found this tip to be useful. Let me know in the comments below. Have you identified the lollipop in your character designs? Are there other issues within character design that you're struggling with? Drop me a comment and let me know. I greatly appreciate your time and value your feedback, and I will see you in the next video.